What is up, guys? We are back here with a quick video on how to change the headlights on a Honda Accord. Well, this particular model. This is a 2007 Honda Accord, and it belongs to our good friend Balaka. Say what's up, Balaka.
What's up, guys?
All right. So you see they're a little foggy. I mean, these are restorable, but Balaka wanted just to make it a little bit more nicer. So Balaka went with black housings. Right, which came in the box along with this Filipino guy right here. See, bust it right out. And we might have to. You kept the receipt for this one, right? Return this one.
Might be defective.
Yeah. Keep these ones. Return that one. So anyway, so yeah, so we're gonna figure out what we need to do. I believe. Oh yeah, and then also we're gonna go ahead and install some LED headlights as well, or headlight bulbs. So cool. So let's figure out what's going on. I believe the front bumper does have to come off on this one, and it probably, yeah. So let's look into it first, and we'll go from there. All right, the first thing we are going to do is remove this plastic guard, and yeah, with these. So we're going to go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver. There is a little place for you to place it. Just twist in there. These are prone to breaking. It's very common just from the heating up and everything. You can get like a whole handful of those on Amazon or eBay for 10 bucks. For about how many? Like 200. Like 200? Okay. So cool. Yeah. Then we got a Phillips screw type right here, and that will just be unscrewed slowly and pulled up and pop out just like these do. All right. Go ahead and put it over here. Okay. Now. All right. Yeah. This looks like this is one of the screws right here. And then we got the other one, the 10mm right there. But like I said, we still need to remove the whole bumper guard, or yeah, the bumper guard in the front. So I know for a fact that there's going to be one, possibly two on this side, and this is probably more likely going to be a 10mm. Not 100%. There might be another one along here, possibly, and then everything should just kind of snap in. Is it a 10? Or is it a screw?
Screw.
Okay. Phillips?
Yeah.
We need to turn the wheel?
No, you can reach it.
Okay. What we went ahead and did was there is a Phillips head screw that goes right up right here. And there's also a series of 10mm bolts that run all along the underside, and also some of those black rivets as well from right here. So we're going to go ahead and remove all of those, and then it should more or less pop off after that, huh? Yeah, very good. All right, guys, after Balaka went ahead and removed all the little plastic clips and the 10mm bolts, he was actually able just to slowly pull the bumper off, because it kind of just sits in these little retainers here. And that's all. There's no other bolts that needed to come off of here. The bumper also sits in this little pocket right here as well. So now we are going to see what bolt. This is one of them. Here's one of them. This is the other one right there. And then the last one should be right here on the side, right there. Okay, yeah, probably I'd have to remove this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, we got one more right there. Two more. And one more right below it. And then we're just going to have to... Oh, that's not attached to it. I'm sorry. I thought it was. I'm going to pull it out slowly. All right. Good job, Balak. Okay. I'm going to just disconnect the harness. Got 1, 2, 3 plugs. High beam, low beam, and our turning signal. Yeah, these are usually a little bit of a pain. So they're all full of dirt and everything else. This one doesn't. There we go. And then we can go ahead and get some needle nose pliers and squeeze those two tabs together. Is that it? There we go. Good job, Balak. Guess why I have a lock here? Balak knows. So, all right, and then we're gonna go ahead and transfer this piece over to the new headlight. Okay, we're transferring the bracket onto the new headlight. You can see it's just another 10 millimeter. That bolts on right there. Alrighty, cool. So go ahead and pull these. Oh, look at that! It even comes with the optional city light. Ooh, but you don't have that, Sal, so you don't have to worry about that. This, yeah, we'll just leave it like that. Optional city light. Cool. So before we plug this in, we're gonna go ahead and install his LED headlights into. So we'll be installing these guys. There is no. Oh, you got the. Oh, look at you! Look at you! You got the high beam and the low beam, huh? Cool. And these are supposed to be just a direct remove and replace, just like a bulb. Do come with a little built-in, I guess, whatever you would call this, amplifier, heat sinked ballast, I guess, and a little built-in cooling fan. So let's see. And they're waterproof. So now we have two different colors here. We got a blue and a red. Do you think there's a difference?
What is the red box there over there? What number?
Let's speak to our technician.
Sold as a set. Do not separate. I just did. Oh, this is 9005.
That's okay. 9, and then the other one's 9. So.
And blue is 9006.
Okay. So the blue one, see they came stuck together like that.
9906 is the outer one.
9906. So the blue one is 9906?
Yeah.
Okay. So the blue one is 9006. So that's going to be our outer one. Okay. It looks like fitment. Let me go ahead and remove this. It looks like fitment is not too much of an issue. Everything seems to go in. I know there's quite a bit of gap right here, but he has not bolted this piece in. Oh wow, they even included the little peg right there. Awesome. Good job, Balak. How much were these?
Like $88.
How much?
88.
For the pair? $88? Off of what, Amazon or eBay?
Amazon.
Oh, cool. Hey, don't look that bad. Alright. Okay. Go ahead and reverse the process. And before we install the other one, we're going to go ahead and turn the headlight on just to make sure that everything is working. Alright, alright. There we go. Nice. Check your blinker and everything. Make sure the hazard's working. Okay, high beam does work. Excellent. Cool. Wow, not really, no fitment issues at all. I mean, that thing went in like a factory light. Look, blinker's working and everything. Very good, my friend. Very good. And the side one's just a reflector, huh? Doesn't light up or anything. No, it's just a reflector. Cool, man. What do you think? How's that look?
Looks nice.
It's way better than this or that. Cool. All right. So once again, the 9005 is on the inside, which is your high beam, and the 9006 goes on the outside, which is your low beam. So we're gonna go ahead and do exactly what we did on this side is what we did to this side, and then reverse the bumper process, and you can have a newer looking car. And there we have it. These headlights are also adjustable. They do have the adjusters on the side for the light level, left and right, up and down, but won't be able to tell that until it gets a lot darker. High beams, oh yeah. High beams, nice and bright. Those are super bright.
Hey, making my eye water.
Very cool. All right, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not really, for $88 for the pair. I mean, they do look really nice. I would have said at least, I don't know, $140, but that's pretty nice. Cool. All right, now we gotta go ahead and put the bumper back on, and then that's about it. Wow, this is one of the fastest projects we've ever had. I'll tell you that much. Cool. Yeah. Make sure that little tab slides right under there, and this one stays up above here, just like that. Same thing right there. And then that part should, just snap in just like that. Just put that screw that retains it. Fold this. Oh, sorry. Go ahead and make sure when you're done, fold that back underneath the fender, the lip. Cool. There it is. Cool. And then the bumper garnish just slides on in. The garnish. What's garnish?
You know, the one that you put on the top of the food?
That's right. Just like that. This is just held on with that black plastic top right here. Whoops, sorry.
No, he gone broke it.
You gone broke it? Ooh. It's supposed to have the tabs on it, huh? Did you remove those tabs, or you just pulled it off?
I just pulled it off.
There's nothing that was holding the Honda emblem?
There's some little tabs on the bottom.
Oh.
I'll stick some ones from the top wire.
Oh, okay. All right, well. This part would have came off with the bumper. That being removed.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's screwed on from behind.
Right. It's okay. He didn't know.
No one's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
No. No one's gonna know.
Dude. You're right, he didn't know. Alright, cool. So we gotta make sure that we put something to at least retain this in there. Because there's supposed to be little pop tabs in there. And then also it does screw from the other side. So this part, you wouldn't have to remove the hood. The bumper garnish, that should come off with the bumper. So anyone else who's doing this, do not worry about that. It'll come off with the bumper. Very good. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. All we need to do after, like I said, after we secure that that garnish, go ahead and reinstall that black cover guard right there, and that's it. And you'll be able to blind people on the road and light that freeway up, right, Sal?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I hope this helps anybody that wants to know how to remove and replace their headlights on their Honda Accord of this generation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave any comment you have below, or
Let that hate flow.
let the hate flow. All right, guys, have a good one.